How to fix Prime Video not working on Apple TV. So there's a few things you can do if this is happening. The first step is to force close Prime Video. So press the TV button twice on the Apple TV remote and then highlight Prime Video. Then swipe it up to pretty much just close it, since Apple says force quitting can help when an app is not working correctly. Next, you can try restarting your Apple TV. This should be done directly inside your settings. Go ahead into System and then go to Restart. You can also unplug the Apple TV for about 30 seconds, then just plug it back in, and then after it restarts, you can try opening Prime Video again, of course. Next, you can check your internet connection. Go ahead into your settings and just go to your network. Make sure your Apple TV is connected to Wi-Fi or Ethernet, whichever way you're using, and then try opening another streaming app too. If the other apps also fail, it's most likely your internet, and you can try restarting your router. One last thing you can do after checking if your Prime Video is updated to the latest version, you can delete and reinstall Prime Video. Choose Prime Video and just do the delete option, and then you should be able to reinstall it from there. And then just sign in again to your Prime Video. But those are a few things you can try if your Prime Video is not working on your Apple TV. So hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.